you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys something super exciting. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited. I have my very first HelloFresh box. Okay, I'm so excited. So excited. Here it is. Look at that thing. Not be cooking the items tonight. I will be making them tomorrow, starting tomorrow. There's 3 meals in the box, but I will talk more about that tomorrow. I just wanted to open it up so I can put the items in the fridge, but I didn't want to show the actual box. So man, this is so dope, babe. They come with literally everything, even a lime. Want to tell you, waste not? Huh? Yeah, we will. It's so, well, that's an easy sponsorship. So it's the next day. Like I said, I was going to cook the next day. Today is Wednesday. I'm about to cook my very first HelloFresh meal ever. I'm super excited. I know it's going to turn out great. This looks absolutely delicious, and DJ agreed that this is the first one that we should make. It's the Shoo pork bowls with cabbage, scallions, and buttery rice. So I'm looking at the ingredients, and everything you could possibly need is in there besides like oil and butter. But honestly, I'm super excited. The cabbage, the scallions, every sauce that I'm gonna need is in this box. I'm super excited for HelloFresh. HelloFresh, sponsor your girl, because I feel like I would really sell this. Okay, so sponsor me, thank you, when you see this video. Anyways, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm not gonna talk through it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and read. So everything is on here that you need to know. So the ingredients, this is a 2-person meal. I may try to make it a little bit bigger by the rice, because there's only 1 cup of rice, and we love rice in my house. So yeah, I might just add 1 cup of my own rice to the mix. But it tells you everything to do. So first thing is first, 1, cook rice and prep, do the produce, all that. So I'm gonna do the rice first because that takes the longest to make, and then we're gonna cut up all the veggies and go out from there. Oh, it also tells me other things that I may need. So a small pot, a large pan, kosher salt, black pepper, cooking oil, sugar, butter. It's just telling me certain things that I need to do. So I'm gonna read the double take. It says, why do we ask you to separate the green part of the scallion from the white? The whites have a firmer texture and stronger onion flavor, which makes them suited for cooking. And the green top is milder, more tender, which is perfect for garnish. So I never knew that. So when you cut the scallion, they want me to keep the whiter part for cooking, and then the top part for garnishing, which is basically just topping it off. So let's go ahead and get started. Super excited.
She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' topless, no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet. And I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' topless, no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet. And I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. Test me, why you wanna test me? You so sexy, come on in. Messy, wet up like a jet ski. Work it out and ride it like a 10-speed. My little baby, takes the pain away. My little baby, takes the stress away. Never leave the bed when it's a rainy day. Hit her with that move, I bet I make her sing. She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' topless, no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet. And I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' topless, no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet. And I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. I'm like, wow. Work it out. I'll pull up, put it down. I see you through the crowd. Leave your friends coming now. She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' topless, no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet. And I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' topless, no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet. And I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow.
Alright you guys, so I am completely done with my Shoo pork bowl. I can't wait to try this. I'm about to try it right now for you guys, but I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful it came out. You guys, it looks and smells absolutely, look at that, so perfect. Alright, so we're about to do a taste test. I already tasted some of the meat when I was cooking, because you have to taste it while you go to see if you need any more salt, but we're gonna get a nice big spoon. So here's the spoon of it. All right, let's dig in. This is good. This is good. I'm keeping this for sure so I can make this on my own time. This, perfect. The ingredients go perfectly together and it's just a nice, real good comfort meal. HelloFresh. HelloFresh. I'm ready when you're ready. And I hope you're ready because I'm ready now. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, this is HelloFresh. I'm not sponsored by them yet, but coming soon. But you can still check in the description box for a link to order your own box for your family. Again, I ordered the meal for 2 because it's just me and DJ, but you guys can order up to 4, from 4, 6, or 10, I don't know, depending on how much you want. You can order your meals, and that way you don't waste anything from the grocery store. This meal is completely done for today. I didn't waste any limes or anything. Everything came in the package. I'm super excited about that because a lot of my produce always goes bad. So if I bought a whole bunch of green onions or scallions, I would have probably ended up wasting the rest of them in the fridge. But because this came with the HelloFresh box, there was only 2 and I used them both for today's meal, as well as the lime, and just everything was perfect. The sauces that came in the packets, perfect amount for the entire meal. I'm super excited. I'm super impressed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm gonna go eat.